Okay,
Yes.
you know how this works?
I think so.
Okay, you're going
gonna-
left, right. Putting the pumpkin up on the chair, and then backing up all the way through.
Yeah, that backing part I think is going to be the tough part.
No. Can't be as bad as everybody else.
Ready to go?
She'll give you the 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah.
Go.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, go.
Good to go?
Wow.
Thanks, guys.